My name is Tim Watson. I'm the owner operator of Timco Machine. I've been in this industry for over 35 years, and I've owned my own business going on now 20 years. And the reason why that I started my own business is that every manufacturer and every company I was normally put in charge of the guys running the machines, and also that I like to be able to help the smaller guys with smaller parts, R&D, onesie, twosie, and parts with bigger companies don't want to do because it's not a major job. And I like doing the R&D work and helping manufacturers in their prototypes and doctors and medical field and stuff like that. And that has helped out with me because your smaller jobs will turn into bigger jobs later, and if they like your work, you will find out that they will come back to you in the future. You are asked to do several different things and all different kinds of work. I have big customers from NOV, Barco, Cameron, Smith Industries, Weatherford, Schlumberger, all the way to smaller companies that make electronics, from oil field to medical. Well, everybody these days are basically wanting to know if you have CNC machines, and if you're not versatile on your machining, from your CNC lathes, CNC mills, all the way down to your smaller machines, your manual machines, your manual mills, and to your saws. And in this business, you have to have all of them, and that's basically what I have here. And we can do from one part to 1,000 parts, and that's what we're set up to do.